Here we start second question of construction of similar triangle. So if anyone is watching this video skipping the previous video, I recommend you to watch the previous video, that is part 3 as well, because I have already explained there about scale factor. So now let's start the second question of construction of similar triangle. Here is the question. Okay, question is, construct a triangle similar to a given triangle ABC with each size equal to 4 by 7 of the corresponding size of the triangle ABC. Write the step of construction. So the only difference you find here from the previous question is scale factor. In the previous question you have learned for construction when scale factor was 5 by 3, which is greater than 1. But now in this question the given scale factor is 4 by 7. Here you can see denominator is greater than numerator, so this scale factor is less than 1. And you also learned that when scale factor is greater than 1, the new triangle that we construct is greater than or bigger than the given triangle. But now in this question, since scale factor is 4 by 7, which is less than 1, our new triangle will be smaller than the given triangle. So this is the only difference you find here. The rest will be the same. So now let's see. Solution. Given a triangle ABC, required to construct a triangle similar to the triangle ABC with each size equal to 4 by 7 of the corresponding size of triangle ABC. So now let's see, we are given triangle ABC. So for this triangle, you draw any triangle ABC. Here I draw triangle ABC, and this can be any size because dimension is not given. But now I ask you for this question to draw the given triangle a little bit bigger, because here scale factor is 4 by 7. That means new triangle will be smaller than this. So draw triangle ABC bigger. Now let's start step of construction. Here the first step is a ray BX is drawn inclined to BC at an acute angle on the opposite sides of A. Just like the previous question. Here let's draw a ray. The name of this ray is BX. So here is triangle ABC. Now we draw ray starting from B, and the name of this ray is BX. This is ray BX. Then let's see second step. Second step is 7 points P1 to P7 are marked on BX such that the length from B to P1, from P1 to P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, P4, P5, P5, P6 and P6, P7 are all equal. Now why we are going to mark 7 points? In the previous question too, I already explained the number of points is according to the bigger number in your scale factor. Here for this question scale factor is 4 by 7. So now 7 is bigger, whether it is denominator or numerator. We are going to mark points according to the greater number in your scale factor. Here is 7, so we mark 7 points. Now let's mark 7 points on ray BX. Starting from B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are P1 to P7. P6, P7. So after marking 7 points, now let's move to the next step. Step number 3. P7C is joined and P4C prime is drawn parallel to P7C, meeting BC at C prime. So this is one of the most important steps here. Now we are going to join step number 3, P7C. Why we take P7? Because the point to be joined with vertex C. I already told you in the last class, this C is to be joined with denominator, according to the denominator of scale factor. Here scale factor is 4 by 7, so denominator is 7. That's why we're going to join C with P7. P7. Always remember the vertex C is joined with the point according to denominator of your scale factor. Denominator is 7, so now we join P7 and C. We join them, and after joining P7 and C, here you can see P4C prime is drawn parallel to P7C, meeting BC at C prime. Again, now we're going to draw another line segment starting from P4. Why we choose P4? Again, go to scale factor, numerator is 4. So now whenever the second line segment is always connected with numerator of your scale factor. Yes, numerator of scale factor is 4. So now we draw a line segment starting from this point P4. So to do that, we are going to follow the same step as we have done in the first question. For that, now take P7 as center and draw arc between two arms of this angle. The same radius without changing this radius. Now take P4. Why we want to start drawing from P4? Taking P4 center, draw another arc. Then measure the length of first arc. Measure this length, this much. Cut the second arc according to the length of first arc. Now you can see this is the point of intersection of these two arcs. So join that point and P4. Here we join them, and this line segment meet BC. This line segment meet BC at a point, and this point is C prime. Okay, step number 3 is done. Then now step number 4. C prime A prime is drawn parallel to CA, meeting AV at A prime. Then for this, again we have to draw another line segment starting from C prime, and that line segment meet AV at a point A prime. But again, this line segment to be drawn here is also parallel to CA. So how do you do this? Let's see. Now take CA center and draw one arc, the same radius. Take C prime center. Okay, then measure the length of first arc, this much. Then cut the second arc according to the length of that first arc. Okay, now we get here the point of intersection of two arcs. And you can now join this point of intersection of two arcs with C prime. We join them and we extend it to meet AV. AV at a point, and this point is A prime. Then here the given triangle. In this question, the given triangle is triangle ABC, big triangle. And now we get new triangle A prime B C prime, which is smaller than the given triangle ABC. So now this A prime B C prime is the required triangle. There is a triangle similar to given triangle ABC, but you can see this triangle A prime BC prime is smaller than the given triangle ABC because scale factor, given scale factor is 4/7, which is less than 1. So now we conclude for this question. Therefore, A prime BC prime is the required triangle. So this is the end of this second question too. And then again I have another question for you to practice. Look at this question. There is a question for you to practice.